Have you ever wondered what secrets the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter, might be hiding? Jupiter, the colossal giant of our cosmic neighborhood, is a planet shrouded in mystery and intrigue. This gargantuan celestial body, over 11 times the diameter of Earth, is not just known for its immense size. It's a world teeming with cyclonic storms, larger than our entire planet. A magnetic field so powerful it's visible from space, and a family of over 70 moons, each with its own unique story to tell. With a history as old as the solar system itself, Jupiter has been a beacon of curiosity for astronomers, scientists, and dreamers alike. As we delve into the heart of this gas giant, we'll encounter wonders and mysteries that challenge our understanding of the universe. So, are you ready for an adventure like no other? Buckle up as we journey through the swirling storms and numerous moons of this gas giant. Jupiter, a behemoth in our solar system, is a world of extremes. Now let's delve into the physical characteristics of this impressive planet. Jupiter is by far the largest planet in our solar system. In fact, it's so massive that it's over 2.5 times as massive as all of the other planets in our solar system combined. Just to give you a clearer picture, you could fit about 1,300 Earths inside Jupiter. But what exactly is Jupiter made of? The planet is primarily composed of hydrogen, with about a quarter of its mass being helium. It might also have a rocky core made up of heavier elements, but the core is so deeply buried that it's hard to get definitive information about it. Jupiter's atmosphere is another significant aspect of its physicality. The planet's vivid bands of clouds are the result of the planet's fast rotation and heat rising from within. These bands are made up of ammonia crystals and possibly ammonium hydrosulfide. The different colors you see are due to variations in the thickness and height of these cloud bands. And then, there's the Great Red Spot, perhaps one of Jupiter's most famous features. The Great Red Spot is a gigantic storm, large enough to contain 2 or 3 Earth-sized planets. This storm has been raging on for at least 300 years, which is pretty mind-boggling if you think about it. It's like a never-ending hurricane, with winds reaching speeds of up to 300 miles per hour. Jupiter's rapid rotation, the fastest of all the planets in our solar system, also contributes to its unique weather patterns. The planet spins so quickly that it bulges out at the equator, giving it a distinctive oblate shape. As we continue to study Jupiter, we're constantly discovering new facets of this complex planet. From its immense size to its unique atmospheric conditions, Jupiter is a world of extremes that continues to captivate and mystify us. This gas giant's distinct features make it a fascinating subject of study. Did you know Jupiter has a staggering 79 known moons? They range in size from tiny moonlets barely a mile across to vast worlds larger than our own moon. But today, we're going to focus on the most spectacular of them all, the Galilean moons, named after the famous astronomer Galileo Galilei, who discovered them in the 17th century. First up is Io, the most volcanically active body in our solar system. This fiery world is constantly reshaped by eruptions from over 400 active volcanoes. Imagine that, a moon with more volcanoes than any planet we know of. This volcanic activity is a result of the immense tidal forces exerted by Jupiter's gravity, causing the moon's surface to flex and generate heat. Next, we journey to Europa, the smallest of the Galilean moons. Don't let its size fool you. Europa is one of the most exciting destinations in our solar system. Beneath its icy surface, scientists believe lies a vast, salty ocean, more than twice the volume of all Earth's oceans combined. This makes Europa a prime candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life. Who knows what might be swimming in those alien seas? Ganymede is up next, the largest moon in our solar system. It's even bigger than the planet Mercury. Ganymede is the only moon known to have its own magnetic field, a testament to its unique geology. Its surface is a mix of 2 types of terrain, dark regions saturated with impact craters, and lighter regions crisscrossed by grooves and ridges, suggesting tectonic activity in the past. Last but not least, we have Callisto. This moon is the most heavily cratered object in the solar system, testament to the many celestial impacts it has endured. Its surface is one of the oldest and most well-preserved in the solar system, making it a record book of sorts for astronomers. Despite its battered appearance, Callisto is thought to harbor a subsurface ocean, just like Europa. These 4 moons, each unique and intriguing in its own right, orbit the mighty Jupiter. They're not just moons, they're worlds of their own, each with its own geology, its own history, and potentially its own life. They offer us a window into the diverse possibilities of celestial bodies in our solar system and beyond. And yet, these are just 4 of Jupiter's many moons. What about the other 75? What secrets do they hold? What could they tell us about the history of our solar system and about the universe beyond? Each of Jupiter's moons is a world of its own, offering countless possibilities for exploration and discovery. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, who knows what mysteries we'll uncover, what wonders we'll behold, and what new questions we'll find to ask. Jupiter's magnetic field is the largest structure in our solar system. It's a force field of sorts, a colossal bubble of magnetism that extends beyond the orbit of Saturn, making it over 20 times larger than the Sun. This magnetic field, created by the churning of metallic hydrogen within Jupiter's core, is so strong that it traps and controls a wind of charged particles, creating a radiation environment that is lethal to unprotected spacecraft. But what's truly fascinating is the shape of this magnetic field. Unlike Earth's near-perfectly symmetrical magnetic field, Jupiter's is oddly lopsided. It's stronger in the northern hemisphere and has multiple south poles. This suggests that the processes generating the field are happening closer to the surface, rather than deep within the planet's core. Recent discoveries have started to peel back the layers of this mystery. Using data from NASA's Juno mission, scientists have found that Jupiter's core is not a solid body, but rather a diluted core, spread out over half the planet's radius. This diffuse core is thought to have been created by a cataclysmic impact with a protoplanet early in Jupiter's history. The energy from this impact would have been enough to partially dissolve the core, spreading heavy elements throughout the inner half of the planet. This diluted core could be the key to understanding Jupiter's strange magnetic field. The spread of heavy elements could create unusual currents, leading to the bizarre and complex magnetic field we see today. It's a theory that's still being tested, but it's one that could revolutionize our understanding of Jupiter and potentially other gas giants in our galaxy. The magnetic field of Jupiter is a testament to the dynamic, ever-changing nature of our solar system. It's a reminder that even the most familiar objects in our night sky still hold deep mysteries, waiting to be unraveled. The mysteries of Jupiter's magnetic field continue to captivate scientists and space enthusiasts alike. As we continue to explore the cosmos, who knows what other secrets we'll uncover about this giant of our solar system. Saturn isn't the only planet with rings in our solar system. Indeed, Jupiter, our solar system's largest planet, also boasts a faint ring system, though it's not as visible as Saturn's. These rings, discovered in the late 20th century, add another layer of mystery to this majestic gas giant. Jupiter's rings are composed primarily of tiny dust particles. But how did they get there? The answer lies in Jupiter's many moons. It's believed that these dust particles are the aftermath of meteorites colliding with Jupiter's moons. The impact of these collisions propels the dust into Jupiter's orbit, where it forms the planet's subtle ring system. The rings of Jupiter are divided into 3 main parts: the halo, the main ring, and the gossamer rings. The halo, closest to the planet, is a thick, hazy cloud of particles. The main ring is thin and bright, composed of small, micron-sized dust particles. The gossamer rings are the outermost and faintest parts of the ring system, named for their ghostly, delicate appearance. Recent observations have given us new insights into Jupiter's rings. For instance, the Galileo spacecraft, which orbited Jupiter from the late 90s to the early 2000s, detected unexpected structures within the ring system. These structures, described as clumps or spokes, appear to be dust clouds that are constantly forming and dissipating. Moreover, the Juno mission, currently orbiting Jupiter, continues to study the planet's rings. Its observations have revealed that the rings are surprisingly stable and have likely existed for millions of years. These findings challenge our understanding of ring dynamics and promise to shed more light on the complex processes that shape the solar system. While not as prominent as Saturn's, Jupiter's rings add to the planet's enigmatic charm. They remind us that even the most familiar celestial bodies can surprise us, revealing hidden features and phenomena that challenge our understanding and ignite our sense of wonder. As we continue to explore Jupiter and its rings, we can look forward to unraveling more of the planet's many mysteries. Jupiter's influence extends beyond the realm of science. It has left an indelible mark on our cultures, mythologies, and even our art and literature. various civilizations have looked up at this celestial giant and weaved stories around it, attributing it with divine qualities. In Roman mythology, Jupiter, or Jove, was the king of the gods and the god of the sky and thunder. He was the equivalent of Zeus in Greek mythology, both of whom were considered the most powerful deities in their respective pantheons. This association with power and majesty is a reflection of the planet's physical enormity in our solar system. Similarly, in Hindu mythology, Jupiter is known as Guru or Brihaspati, the teacher of gods, symbolizing wisdom and intellect. It's interesting to observe that despite the geographical and cultural differences, the attributes ascribed to Jupiter are often grand and commanding, mirroring the planet's towering presence in our sky. This cultural significance of Jupiter has also permeated our art and literature. From the ancient Roman mosaics depicting Jupiter as a powerful deity, to the modern science fiction novels imagining life on its moons, Jupiter's influence is far-reaching. It has fueled our collective imagination, encouraging us to look beyond our earthly confines and dream about the infinite cosmos. In astrology, Jupiter represents expansion, growth, and optimism. It's believed to influence our desire for exploration and our search for meaning, which is quite fitting considering our ongoing scientific quest to unravel the mysteries of this gas giant. Jupiter's grandeur has inspired countless stories and works of art, reflecting our enduring fascination with this celestial giant. Even as we continue to explore its storms, moons, and magnetic fields with our spacecraft, we are also exploring our own place in the universe. And in this exploration, Jupiter serves as a shining beacon, reminding us of the vastness of the cosmos and our ceaseless quest to understand it. Our understanding of Jupiter is constantly evolving. Consider the Juno mission, launched in 2011, which has been orbiting Jupiter since 2016. This spacecraft has been instrumental in unlocking the secrets of the gas giant. One of Juno's most fascinating discoveries is that beneath Jupiter's dense cloud cover, the weather phenomena continue to depths far greater than previously thought, extending up to 3,000 kilometers below the cloud tops. This is a testament to the intense and powerful nature of Jupiter's atmospheric dynamics. A recent revelation from Juno's data has been the surprising asymmetry of Jupiter's gravitational field, which has given us clues about the planet's internal structure. It seems to indicate that Jupiter's core is not as compact as we once thought. Instead, it might be fuzzy, composed of a mixture of elements, which could change our understanding of how giant planets form. Juno has also given us a chance to witness the magnificent polar light shows on Jupiter, providing insights into the planet's enormous magnetic field, the strongest of any planet in the solar system. These observations are helping us understand how magnetic fields are generated in planets and the role they play in shaping a planet's destiny. Looking to the future, NASA's Europa Clipper mission, slated for launch in the late 2020s, will focus on Jupiter's moon Europa. This icy moon is believed to harbor a subsurface ocean, which could potentially support life. The mission aims to investigate the ice shell and subsurface to understand the moon's geology and the potential habitability of its ocean. Further ahead, the proposed Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer mission by the European Space Agency, or JUICE for short, will launch in 2022 and reach Jupiter by 2029. It will spend at least 3 years making detailed observations of the giant gaseous planet and 3 of its largest moons, Ganymede, Callisto, and Europa. And let's not forget about the potential of private space exploration. Companies like SpaceX have expressed interest in sending missions to the Jovian system, which could play a crucial role in advancing our knowledge of this intriguing planet and its moons. The ongoing exploration of Jupiter is a testament to human curiosity and our ceaseless quest for knowledge. Each mission, each discovery, brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. As we continue to push the boundaries of what we know, we uncover more questions, more mysteries, and that's the beauty of exploration. And so, as we look to the future, we can be certain that our exploration of Jupiter is far from over. With each new mission, with each new discovery, we peel back a layer of the unknown, and in doing so, we learn more not just about Jupiter, but about the universe and our place within it. As we continue to explore Jupiter, who knows what new mysteries we'll uncover? From its turbulent storms to its numerous moons, Jupiter is a world of wonder. We've delved into the mysteries of its size, composition, and its strong magnetic field. We've journeyed through the unique features of its many moons, marveled at its faint ring system, and explored its significance in culture and mythology. We've also touched on the recent discoveries and the exciting future missions. As we continue our exploration of the cosmos, Jupiter will undoubtedly continue to captivate our imaginations. What will we discover next?